Good evening, all. Okay, so last day we have discussed about the domain name and different domain names, and as well as how to get a domain name. And then we discuss about IP version 4 address and IP version 6 address, and we found that IP version can be mapped to the IP address can be mapped to the domain name, especially when it is a server. And domain name can be remapped to the IP address, and that is a different service available in the internet called DNS. So DNS, domain name system, maps the IP to domain and domain to IP. We learn about that, and today we are going to start our practical. Here, actually, we are going to learn about website first. Okay, we are going to discuss about website first. So please write down the heading website. Website. And today we are going to start our practical too. Website. Under that, please write down website is a collection of interconnected web pages under a single domain. Website is a collection of interconnected web pages under a single domain. Website is interconnected web pages under a single domain. So I'll give you an example. For an example, you can say, so this is NI.lk, National Institute of Education. Example, National Institute of Education is a website. So if you analyze, it has a lot of pages. It has a lot of pages under the same domain. See, we have listed 5 web pages. All these 5 web pages are having ni.lk. You can go to these links and see. All are having the common name, that is ni.lk. So the website එකක් කියන්නේ මේ වගේ පොදු නාමයක්, common name එකක්, common domain name එකක් තියෙන pages, එකිනෙකට link වෙච්ච interlinked pages, interconnected pages, a set of pages under a single domain we call website. So you can write that and write the example. Write the example. Please write it quickly, right? Because today we are going to start our practicals. We need more time for practicals. Let's write theory quickly and then move to the practicals. Okay, next is web page. So what is web page then? Web page, next subheading, web page. So web page is a single document. It is a single document. It's a single document. It is a collection of related hypertext elements, so the hypertext and hypermedia which is organized using hypertext and hypermedia, which is organized using HTML elements. HTML means hypertext markup language. HTML means hypertext markup language. Please write down that. Pages are connected using hyperlinks. Pages are connected using hyperlinks to create a website. to create a website. Please write down this as well. So this is what web page is. Then I need you to write the basic structure of the web page also. So please, after that, please write the structure of web page and also HTML, hypertext markup language. And we are going to learn HTML5. And first of all, write down structure of a web page using HTML5. Structure of web page using HTML5. And please write down this. I'm going to explain one by one. But before that, please write down and draw this, right? I'll explain this one by one. So after finishing this, we can start coding, start programming. This is the only note that I'm going to give for today. After that, the practicals. Right, now it's time to do the practicals. So please follow the steps, right? So when you're doing, please follow the steps. And if you're using a mobile phone or if you're using a laptop, doesn't matter, or computer, so you can apply, all of you can apply same steps. But so please be ready to share the screen, because that is very important. When you share the screen, I can help quickly. Otherwise, I don't know your problem, and you cannot also figure out your issue, which will be delay the process. So requirement, even you are using a mobile phone or laptop or desktop, doesn't matter, but please be ready to share the screen, then I can guide you properly, right? Okay, first of all, go and visit this link. I'm going to give you a link. Please go and visit this link. And this is this link. I have already explained this another day, I think 2 days before. This is used to, right? This is used to create a hosting account as well as a subdomain. So what you have to do? So you'll get empty form. Please use your name. So I'm going to use one of your names. Just okay, let's say Akash. I'm going to use this one. Please rename like this: Akash, Akash OL. Akash OL, but no other symbols, just Akash and ONL without any spaces. Then give any password that you like, but remember the password, right? And give your email, whatever email that you can access now. Please use that. Maybe your mother or father's email, that doesn't matter, but you should be able to access that email now. Then access karana pulang email. So I'm going to use my email, but I'm not going to create account, just show in. Then select personal from here and English from here, and then write the same code which is mentioned here as the security code. Okay, after filling that, click on the register button. After filling that, please click on the register button. Okay, quickly do this and let me know after pressing the register button. Okay, I'm going to create a new account, O-level ICT DSUN, and I'm putting a password. And put in email also. And personal, English, and I'm putting all these things and I'm registering. Oh, I have to put correct email. That is my mistake. Okay, then register. Okay, you will see something like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, do we have to put the security code, the given security code?
Yes, given security code. Given security code you had to use. Right, then, so after After doing that, you will get this kind of message. And when you go to your spam folder here, you can see hosting activation email. Right, then go there and then you can see the hosting activation link. Just click on that link, this one, the long link. Just click on that link and it will create the account for you, and it will take some time, but it will create the account for you. Okay. Right, I'm going to the cPanel. I'm going to the cPanel. Sorry, I'm going to the Zero Fees website, zerofees.us. And there I'm going to access this sign up now. And there I'm going to give the name Ginura OL and the password. And the password, I'm going to give the same password. So you can use that. And email address. Then your personal, and I'm giving English. And this is what 213F1 is the security code and register. Okay. So here it says you have sent the email. Then I'm going to the Google. I'm going to Gmail. As you said, it's not coming to the inbox. Now you should be able to find the location, right? It will not come to your inbox for sure. Your inbox is empty. It has only the Google welcome mail. And then you have to click more. More. From more, please go to spam and your email is there. Then click on that and click on the activation link and you can activate. Here it is. Right? It will take some time to activate. And after activation also, they will send another email to your hosting account. They will again send another mail to your hosting account after the activation. You can log into your email and open it. So I am not going to open this now because it has all the details, even username, passwords, everything is there. So please log into your email and get this email. It has your login details, right? Please save a copy of this email in your account. Please save this in a notepad or somewhere, or take a photo and keep it, because this is very important. Otherwise, don't come and tell next day you forgot the password and username, you don't know how to log in. So likewise, because today we have to clear everything, right? Today we have to clear everything. We have to create the login, log into the account, and save, keep the credentials, usernames, passwords, because next day you can't come and complain me saying I cannot log into the account, my password is lost, I cannot remember my username. No, today itself remember that. Okay, anyway, you will get a link here. So that link is this. You will get a link that is cpanel.zerofees.net. Right, this is the link that you are getting. So I'm sending you that link to you all. I'm sending you that code to link to you all. Ginura, what is the link that, what is the code that you are asking? Which code? I have already sent you the username and password of email. Please log into that. Please log into that username and password. So you log into that email and you will get this email. Inside that email, so I have not yet opened that. Inside this email, in the spam folder, inside this email, you have your username and password. The login code is there. Right, others, please follow, and your username will be something like this, and you will get a password. Password is the same one that you have entered. Okay. Done. After login, you will see, right, after login, you will see this kind of interface. There you can see, right, there you can see your website name here. and you will see online file manager here. So that is what we are going to access now. Okay, that is what we are going to access now. Okay, Akash, finish. Akash, finish. Have you finished?